breaking of the morning, when the first light warms the sky, you remind me of your promise that your mercies never die. All the battles I've carried, all the questions in my soul, you transform them in your presence, making shattered pieces whole. You restore me, you renew me. You're the strength within my days. Every tear becomes a testimony of your gentle healing grace. Take my heart and breathe upon it till it beats with love again. You restore me, you renew me, ever faithful, ever friend. When the memories of failure try to pull me back to shame, you rewrite my story gently, calling me by a new name. No accusation holds me, for your truth has set me free. In the shadow of your kindness, I find who I'm meant to be. Let your river flow within me, washing every fear away. Let your fire shape my spirit, guide my footsteps when I stray. Every burden, every longing, I release at your command. For your arms are strong to carry every weakness in my hands. You restore me, you renew me. In your mercy I am raised. With a grateful heart I worship, letting all my life give praise. From the valley to the mountain, you are with me till the end. You restore me, you renew me, ever Savior, ever friend. In the breaking of the morning, when the first light warms the sky, you remind me of your promise that your mercies never die. All the battles I have carried, all the questions in my soul, you transform them in your presence, making shattered pieces whole. You restore me, you renew me. You're the strength within my days. Every tear becomes a testimony of your gentle healing grace. Take my heart and breathe upon it till it beats with love again. You restore me, you renew me, ever faithful, ever friend. Try to pull me back to shame, you rewrite my story gently, calling me by a new name. No accusation holds me, for your truth has set me free. In the shadow of your kindness, I find who I'm meant to be. Let your river flow within me, washing every fear away. Let your fire shape my spirit, guide my footsteps when I stray. Every burden, every longing, I release at your command. For your arms are strong to carry every weakness in my hands. You restore me, you renew praise. From the valley to the mountain, you are with me till the end. You restore me, you renew me, ever Savior, ever friend. In the quiet of my weakness, when I'm breaking at the seams, you remind me you are faithful through the valleys and the dreams. Every scar I've tried to cover, every wound I tried to mend, finds its healing in your presence, finds its comfort once again. Heal my heart again, Lord. Breathe your mercy into me. Take the pieces I've been holding, make them what you want to see. When my courage starts to tremble, when my hope begins to bend, heal my heart again, Lord. Let your healing never end. When my doubts begin their whisper, trying hard to pull me down, you remind me of your promise, I will never ever drown. You renew my faintest courage, you restore my broken soul. In the shelter of your kindness, I am made completely whole. Let your peace flow like a river through the corners of my mind. Let your love rewrite the story of the pain I leave behind. Heal my heart again, Lord. You are where my life begins. I will trust you in the valley. You are faithful to the end. Heal my heart again. Every mountain I've been climbing, every valley I have crossed, you remind me you are with me. You have never left me lost. When the fear begins its rising and my heart begins to shake, you speak peace into the chaos, steadying every step I take. Breakthrough in your name, every wall comes falling down. In the power of your presence, chains dissolve. Let your glory break me through. Breakthrough in your name. Every battle you have won, I will sing of your salvation till the final race is done. Breakthrough in your name. Every wall comes falling down in the power of your presence. Chains dissolve upon the ground. You are strength when I am weary. You are hope when hope is gone. Breakthrough in your name. Every victory comes from you When the night feels never ending and my strength begins to fade, you remind me of the sunrise and the hope your hands have made. Every prayer I've whispered softly, every tear that no one sees, you have carried in your kindness, filling all my deepest needs. Hope is rising in the silence. Hope is breaking through the dark. You are working in the shadows. You are healing every heart. You are steady through the waiting. You are faithful from the start. Hope is rising in your presence, lighting up my fragile heart. When the fear begins its shaking and my courage fades again, you remind me you are with me. You have always called me friend. Every burden finds its resting. Every sorrow finds release. In the certainty of mercy, you restore my soul with peace. Let your light shine on my spirit. Let your truth renew my mind. Let your joy replace the morning. Let your grace be what I find. Hope is rising in your presence, shining brighter than before. You are near in every moment. You are peace forevermore. When the night feels never ending and my strength begins to fade, you remind me of the sunrise and the hope your hands have made. Every prayer I've whispered softly, every tear that no one sees, you have carried in your kindness, filling all my deepest needs. Hope is rising in the silence. Hope is breaking through the dark. You are working in the shadows. You are healing every heart. You are steady through the waiting. You are faithful from the start. Hope is rising in your presence, lighting up my fragile heart. is rising in your presence, shining brighter than before. You are near in every moment. You are peace forever.